Yes! Here's a rich, bakery-style caramel apple crumble pie with gooey caramel in the filling and drizzled on top. It's next-level cozy and perfect for holidays or weekends. Caramel apple crumble pie. Ingredients: pie crust, 1 unbaked 9-inch pie crust, apple filling, 6 cups apples, peeled and sliced, ½ cup granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, pinch of salt, 1/3 cup thick caramel sauce, plus more for drizzling, crumble topping, 3/4 cup flour, ½ cup rolled oats, ½ cup brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, ½ cup cold unsalted butter, cubed. Instructions: 1. Prep. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Fit crust into 9-inch pie dish and chill. 2. Make caramel apple filling. Toss apples with lemon juice. Add sugars, flour, cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, and salt. Pour in 1/3 cup caramel sauce and mix well. Transfer to the crust and mound slightly. 3. Make crumble topping. Mix flour, oats, brown sugar, cinnamon, salt. Cut in cold butter until crumbly. Sprinkle evenly over the apples. 4. Bake 50 to 60 minutes. Topping golden and filling bubbling. Cover crust edge if browning early. 5. Finish with caramel. After baking, cool 20 to 30 minutes. Drizzle warm caramel sauce over top. Cool fully about 2 hours before slicing. Best apples for caramel pies. Caramel is sweet, so balance with tart apples. Granny Smith, Braeburn, Pink Lady. Pro baker tips: use thick caramel, ice cream style, not syrup. Mix tart plus sweet apples for depth. Add a 1/4 teaspoon salt to your caramel for a salted caramel version. Sprinkle a few chopped pecans into the crumble for crunch. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Informational Health, Body, and Relationship. Thanks for watching.